Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. Ever had a blank page stuck inside your PDF that just won't go away? It's annoying, right? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove any unwanted or blank page from a PDF using Canva, completely free and online. Let's get started. First, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one, just sign up. It only takes a minute. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left and click Upload Files. Select your PDF and wait for it to process. Once it's uploaded, drag the PDF onto your blank Canva project. Canva will display each page of your PDF separately, including the blank ones. Now, all you have to do is find the blank page, and click the small trash bin icon above it to delete that page. You can do this for any number of pages, whether they're blank, duplicated, or just no longer needed. When you're done, go to the top right corner, click Share, then Download. Select PDF Standard and download your clean, updated PDF. It's that easy. No extra software, no watermarks, and no more annoying blank pages. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, How to Fix Techie, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.